Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and I have a new video for you today. We're looking at the latest £2 coin that the Royal Mint has released. It's the Vera Lynn, or the Dame Vera Lynn £2 coin. From what we can see on this one, these are both in change checker packaging. I have two of them. We have the date of 2022, we have the JC portrait of the Queen. Now, on the other side here, we have Dame Vera Lynn going from around about the 6:30 position through to the 11:30 position. And then from 9 o'clock to about 11 o'clock, we have the dates of her life, which was 1917 to 2020. This lady lived for 103 years. She provided entertainment and something very special to the men of Her Majesty's Armed Forces during the Second World War. She gave them a point of hope, and she was a very talented lady as a singer. This coin represents that life's work. To me, I think the Royal Mint missed with this coin. The sentiment is right. She is a lady who definitely deserves an honour of being on a coin and represented as such. However, this portrait of her does her no justice at all. It's absolutely bloody awful. It's a portrait of her in her younger days, which I'm fine with. She was a pretty lady. However, this particular, or this style of portrait just does not work on coins. She looks as if she's butt-toothed. She looks as if she's not quite there. The definition in the portrait isn't there. In the eyes and the nose. The hairstyle was okay. It's maybe a 1930s, early 1940s hairstyle. But there's little definition in the face and the eyes. There's not a lot in the nose area. And that smile just does not show up well on coins. The Mint knows this. It has been designing coins for 500 years. Why the hell did the people who look after these coins and look after these and okay these designs take a good hard look at one before it goes into production? Because this is awful, and it does Dame Vera Lynn no justice whatsoever. And I actually feel ashamed for her family, because it should be an honour that she richly deserves. But this coin does Dame Vera Lynn no justice at all. I'm sorry, it's got to be said, it's an awful coin in that in the portrait side of it. As I said, there's no definition really in the eyes. The nose is not well defined at all, and that smile just looks awful on this coin. Now, I know a lot of people will say that I'm being overly nasty, and I'm not being nasty, I'm being truthful. This is my review of the coin, and you're quite welcome to disagree with me and to put in the comments that you disagree with me and tell me why I'm wrong. I have no problem with you doing that whatsoever. But this coin should never have come about. There should be things in place within the design department that says this doesn't work, redesign it. There is no way that this should have got through that system, and no way it should have got through the overall committee who looks after the design of the coins and produces them. Somebody somewhere must have realised that this coin didn't work, so why did it go ahead, is my question that I put to the Royal Mint. Okay, I've had my moan. What do you think of this coin? Tell me in the comments below. Do you believe I'm wrong? If you do, tell me. I'd I've got absolutely no problem with you disagreeing with me. So I'm going to, at this point, end this review, because there's something I've got to do with these two coins that I've got here. One will go into my album for my blue cards, and I'm going to have a bit of a destructive little period in a second. Yeah, time to get the flips out. Now, I have a current blue card album. I'll just put those out of the way for a second. Now, the current blue card album UK 50p's and £2. Where's the £2 one gone? There we go, £2 one. There we go. This £2 set, we have the War of the Worlds and the Sir Walter Scott from last year. The FA Cup that has just come out is there. The Vera Lynn coin has just gone in there. So that's a blue coin set. And now I have flipped coins. There's the 70p, the bunk, whoops. There's the bunk 2022 70 years, the one with the horse on the back. And there we go, there's the circulated one. I'm short of one, I think, which is the one without the horse on the back. And here we go, we got the £2 coins. Let me just get my scissors. Oh. I got told off by Angela, who's a regular viewer of mine, that when I'm holding coins I should be wearing gloves if they're bunk coins. So just for you, Angela, here we go. What's the betting they don't fit me, even though I asked for the largest ones I've got. Right. Excuse me. Split the packaging apart, and inside there we have the 50p sealed into the plastic holder. Now, let's just get this one sorted out. Now these ones have the removable paper that you just peel away. And let's open this up now. Here we have the bunk coin. There we go. There's the bunk Dame Vera Lynn £2 coin going into a flip, and a Sharpie. This is a 2022 coin. It's NIFC. It's a bunk coin. So, along with the FA Cup, there's the Dame Vera Lynn 2022 coin. Now this one's an interesting one. It's maybe just slightly out of order, but let me just bring you in. This is one that you won't see very often. Whoops. Here we have the NIFC. Where have I got it? Where's my pointy thing? Okay, where's the pointy thing disappeared to? Oh, there it is. Right. We have here a 2007 NIFC. This was taken from the year set, and it's the 1807 freedom of slavery coin. Now, most of you will see the circulating one has a rippled background or an orange skin type background. The one in the year set, which you've probably been told about by people like Christopher, is a plain mirrored background, and it has two initials there, DG, which is the designer. This is one from a year set that I bought on eBay. It didn't cost me, it cost me less than I thought it would, but it's one I'm very, very happy to have in my collection. So I just thought I'd show you that one. The other coins in here, or the other stuff that I have in here in flips, are the basically the Pooh and Friends and all the coins that have gone from 2020 so far. We have, whoops, let's get right out. Oh. Right, we have 2020, we had two coins in 2020. I have one of them on this page, and that's the diversity, circulated diversity. The other ones of those are in the oh blimey, what do you call it, in the bunks and what have you, on another sheet. Also on here I've got the 2020 Snowman, the bunk, and the Machin head, and the bunk 2021, and that of the three Mary Anning ones. Then I need to re-flip this one because it's not correct. It's moved in the housing, so let's just do that while we're here. This is a John Logie Baird 50p bunk that was taken out of the blue packaging, much as the Vera Lynn one was done a few minutes ago. Okay, it had slipped in the mount, so I've remounted it in the flip. And it's 2021 NIFC bunk, and that one can now go back into position. We then got the dual date bunk for the Olympics, the Babbage, the three Winnie the Pooh, the Insulin, the Snowman for last year, and the two, the 2025 on horseback, the 2021 horseback one bunk, and then the circulated 70-year coin, 70-year anniversary coin there. So that's this particular review and housing of the coins complete. As I said, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me the thumbs up, And could you also think about, seriously, about subscribing to the channel? I am doing my very best this year to grow the channel, and I hope that you can help me on that way, but only if you believe I deserve it. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one, and that you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're purchasing coins, wherever you're purchasing them, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. Thank you for watching this video, and from me, thank you so much, and bye bye for now. Ta-da, bye bye.